Introducing Power Pulse, a therapeutic pulsating massage shower head that's unlike any other shower head on the market today. The Power Pulse shower head does things other shower heads can't do. It provides a wide range of therapeutic wellness benefits. And it does that because it has up to 2 times the massage force versus other retail shower heads, making it so therapeutic that it's an FDA-registered shower head. You can see, hear, and feel the difference. If you're a weekend warrior, a gardener, or a golfer, if you have tech neck from looking at your phone, or if you're looking to relieve the symptoms of aging, the Waterpik Power Pulse is the shower head for you. In fact, in studies under the direction of physicians and physical therapists, it was found that the Waterpik Power Pulse helps to provide a variety of clinically shown benefits. So why in the world would you want a regular shower head when you can have one that does all that?